What do we got in the Jeep? Oh!
My story is the story of a man who starts off at the bottom and with a bit of hard work continues along the bottom and finally ends up at the bottom. Hey, this is Classic Cars and Comics. Thank y'all very much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let's roll.
A new tire carrier, brand new. Took it out of the box to put it in here. Bought it for $100 off old Facebook Marketplace. Facebook for the win. Everything's still in packages and everything. So I think I got a really good deal on this. Yeah. So this is a list, I guess, of what all is supposed to be in there. Hopefully that's all here. It looks like it's all going to be here. That's where your tire goes on. Now these are individuals. I've got them in that deal. I don't know what that's for yet. All these different plates. Then I think that's another handle. I really like the looks of that machine handle. There's the XRC badging. And so hopefully everything's there. I have no reason to believe it's not there. It's all my nuts and bolts and washers. And then I got to open this up and see what's in here. But I think it's going to be another handle. That's exactly what that was. All right, so hopefully we got everything that we're going to need. That's the hope. The hope and the prayer. All right, so that's that. That's that. I've already set the big piece inside. You've already seen that. We know we've got that. We know we got that part right there. Let's see if we got this little part. Yep, that's it. So far, we're trending in the right direction here. I guess maybe you can adapt. Maybe you can still use that third lock.
Okay, it's time to go ahead and get started on getting the rear tire carrier installed. I'm gonna have to remove the spare, remove some of that hardware, the lighting hardware on there, and then we'll just start working through the process. There's a very detailed video on how to do all this, so I'm not gonna bore y'all with going through that whole process, but this is at least the stock look, and we'll get to rolling on getting this video.
Okay, here's the final layout of pieces before we start digging into this and getting everything installed. So, should have everything that we need, hopefully, to get this project rolling. So let's get to it.
Let's put this right on down in there, hopefully. Man, I'm really gonna have to remove that. Dadgummit! Wasn't trying to live that life today. Man, I don't know how. Oh, I know how, because then it'll be out of the way. Mistakes were made, and I've got to take that off. Maybe not. Okay, the next part to install is this little triangle bracket, and then I've given you this nice little piece of machinery that you're just going to hold back up under there on this rod, and then this rod is meant to break off. But I'll have to get up under there, run that back in there, and then set this little deal for my latch. That was definitely, in my opinion, a two-man job. Just helped that my dad was feeding it the bolts from the top while I was up under there with that plate trying to get it all lined up. But you could do it with one person, much easier with two. Needed some snap ring pliers, so bought this from Lowe's, and it's got several different deals on it, but we'll hope this does the trick. Hey. Had to go in here and modify this to make it work right. Added a few extra washers. Thank God they sent enough. I just don't think you can beat that for $100. It's a brand new part. I literally watched him take it out of the box to give it to me or sell it to me for $100. It's worked really well. I'm gonna hope it works really well going forward. It was pretty easy to install. I would say the only complications I had was the offset of, where I had to put the washers in down there. The washers in down there on the bottom left to get the latch to properly sit or seat in there. So I think it was money well spent. Okay, I believe in the upcoming video, I've made a bunch of videos so far and I can't keep everything in track of how I'm releasing these, but I'm going to try to do it in a nice ebb and flow. But in the upcoming video, I'll be showing you the restoration of my front bumper that already come on the Jeep whenever I bought it, and it looks a lot nicer now. So I'm ready for y'all to be able to see that. So please make sure that y'all like, comment, subscribe, and love y'all a long time.